Pancakes are brilliant. Everyone loves pancakes. They are soft, fluffy, and super yummy. Making your own pancakes is fun and easy. You can even get the kids involved. Homemade pancakes always taste better than store-bought. Let's get cooking! Before we start, let's gather our cooking tools. Having the right tools on hand will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. It's always a good idea to lay out everything you need before you begin, so you're not scrambling to find things mid-recipe. This way you can focus on the fun part, cooking. You will need a large bowl for mixing. A large mixing bowl is essential because it gives you plenty of room to combine all your ingredients without making a mess. Whether you're mixing dry ingredients or wet ingredients, having a spacious bowl will make the task much easier. Plus, it's versatile and can be used for a variety of recipes. Grab a whisk too to mix everything together. A whisk is a handy tool that helps to blend ingredients smoothly and incorporate air into your mixtures, which is especially important for recipes like pancakes or cakes. It's also great for making sauces and dressings. Make sure your whisk is sturdy and comfortable to hold. A non-stick frying pan is best for cooking pancakes. Non-stick pans are great because they prevent food from sticking, which means you can cook with less oil and have an easier cleanup. They're perfect for delicate foods like pancakes, eggs, and fish. Make sure your pan is in good condition, with no scratches or peeling. Don't forget a spatula for flipping. A good spatula is essential for flipping pancakes, burgers, and other foods. Look for one that's sturdy and has a comfortable grip. A silicone spatula is a great choice because it's heat resistant and won't scratch your non-stick pans. With the right spatula, you can flip your food with ease and confidence. Now for the ingredients. You will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 large egg, 1 cup milk, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Pour the flour into a large mixing bowl. Make sure to use a measuring cup to get the exact amount needed for your recipe. This is crucial for achieving the right consistency in your batter. Flour is the foundation of your batter, providing structure and texture. Next, add the sugar. Sugar not only sweetens the batter, but also helps to tenderize it, giving your final product a delightful texture. Then, measure out the baking powder. Baking powder is a leavening agent that will help your batter rise, making it light and fluffy. And salt into your mixing bowl. Salt enhances the flavors of all the other ingredients, making your batter taste even better. Mix these dry ingredients together with your whisk until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, crack an egg and whisk it together with the milk. The egg adds richness and helps bind the ingredients, while the milk adds moisture and helps create a smooth batter. Now melt some butter and let it cool slightly before adding it to the egg and milk mixture. The butter adds flavor and moisture, making your batter rich and delicious. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Gently whisk everything together until you have a smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the batter tough. It's perfectly fine if there are a few lumps. They will disappear during cooking. Enjoy the process and look forward to the delicious results. Place your non-stick frying pan on the stove. Turn the heat to medium. Add a small knob of butter to the pan and let it melt. This will stop your pancakes from sticking and make them extra tasty. Now for the fun part. Cooking pancakes is not just about following a recipe. It's about enjoying the process and creating something delicious. Let's dive into the details of how to cook your first side to a perfect golden brown. First, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot pan for each pancake. Make sure your pan is preheated to medium heat. This ensures that the pancakes cook evenly and develop a nice golden brown color. If the pan is too hot, the pancakes might burn on the outside while remaining raw on the inside. Conversely, if the pan is too cool, the pancakes will take too long to cook and might turn out rubbery. Depending on the size of your pan, you can cook 2 to 3 pancakes at a time. This allows you to manage the cooking process more effectively and ensures that each pancake gets the attention it deserves. If you're using a smaller pan, it's best to cook 1 pancake at a time to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to uneven cooking. Cook the pancakes for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until bubbles start to appear on the surface. These bubbles are a key indicator that the pancakes are ready to be flipped. The edges should also start to look set and slightly dry. If you flip the pancakes too early, they might fall apart or not cook evenly on the other side. Patience is key here. While waiting, you can prepare any toppings or accompaniments you plan to serve with your pancakes, such as fresh fruit, syrup, or whipped cream. When it's time to flip, use a spatula to gently lift the edge of the pancake and quickly turn it over. The first side should be a beautiful golden brown. If it's not, adjust your heat accordingly for the next batch. Cooking is all about learning and adjusting as you go. Once flipped, cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's also golden brown and cooked through. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each pancake you make will be better than the last. And there you have it, perfectly golden brown pancakes ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with your favorite toppings and savor the delicious results of your efforts. Cooking pancakes is a delightful experience that brings joy to both the cook and those who get to eat them. Happy cooking! Time to flip. Carefully slide your spatula under the edge of the pancake. Lift and quickly flip it over. Cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your pancakes are cooked, stack them on a plate. You can keep them warm in a low oven while you cook the rest of the batter. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. Add your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, or a drizzle of syrup. Enjoy!